Welcome to Best Choice. The best parallel cord is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for anyone looking to maximize the power output and versatility of their Westinghouse inverter generators, allowing you to link two compatible units together to double your available wattage for larger appliances or extended use without sacrificing portability or ease of setup, making it an indispensable tool for tailgating, RVing, or emergency backup power. Number 5. Westinghouse 30A Inverter Generator Parallel Cord. This parallel cord offers a simple, compact, and plug-and-play system. It features illuminated plugs and switches for easy operation. Forget bulky junction boxes, extra hardware, or tedious wiring. This system eliminates unnecessary complexities, making setup a breeze. It features durable, rubber-molded receptacles. This cord includes two parallel input ends and one NEMA 120V TT30 or RV-ready power outlet. Enjoy the advantages of inverter generators, such as significantly lower noise levels. It also offers easier portability for your convenience. This cord helps you achieve increased fuel efficiency. You get the same power output as traditional generators, but with better economy. What we like. This parallel cord stands out for its incredibly easy, plug-and-play system, featuring illuminated plugs for hassle-free connection. You won't find bulky junction boxes or complicated wiring here, making setup a breeze. If you value simplicity and quick, straightforward power expansion without any fuss, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. No positive reviews with detailed product works design function feature facts were found in the provided source to extract points from. No positive reviews with detailed product works design function feature facts were found in the provided source to extract points from. Number 4. Westinghouse 30A Inverter Generator Parallel Cord. Need more power without the hassle of a bulky generator? This cord lets you easily combine two inverter generators. It's the perfect solution to boost your output without buying a larger, heavier unit. Connecting it is incredibly simple. Just a few steps to quickly link it to the parallel jacks on both your generators. Please ensure your generators have these jacks for compatibility. Experience ultimate convenience with this portable, plug-and-play system. There are no bulky junction boxes, extra hardware, or tedious wiring required. Just connect and power up. Built with 100% copper wiring, you can use it with complete confidence. This ensures it's risk-free from overheating, providing a safe and reliable power connection. This cord is designed for extreme durability. It can withstand harsh elements like wind, rain, snow, soil, and rocks. It's robust enough to keep you powered, even through hurricane season. What we like. This 30-amp parallel cord is built with 100% copper wiring, ensuring maximum safety and efficiency without the risk of overheating. Its durable design can withstand harsh outdoor elements like wind, rain, and snow, keeping you powered through any season. If you're looking for a robust and reliable connection that prioritizes safety and longevity in challenging environments, this option is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Westinghouse 50A Inverter Generator Parallel Cord. Need more power from your generators? This cord allows you to easily combine two inverter generators. You won't need to buy a larger, heavier unit. Connecting it is incredibly simple. Just a few steps to quickly link it to the parallel jacks on both generators. It's designed for ultimate convenience and portability. No bulky boxes or complicated wiring are needed, just a simple plug-and-play system. Built with 100% copper wiring, you can use it with complete confidence. This ensures it's risk-free from overheating, providing reliable power. This cord is engineered for durability, ready to withstand tough elements like wind, rain, and snow. It's robust enough to keep you powered, even through hurricane season. What we like. Unlike its 30-amp counterpart, this parallel cord provides a robust 50-amp connection, allowing you to combine generators for significantly more power. It's perfect for those who need to run larger appliances or multiple devices simultaneously without trading up to a single, heavier generator. If your power demands are higher and you need to maximize output from your inverter generators, this 50-amp solution is precisely what you need. What people say. No positive reviews found in the source data. No positive reviews found in the source data. Number 2. Westinghouse 12500W Dual Fuel Portable Generator. This powerful generator ensures your home stays powered during outages. It delivers up to 12,500 peak watts on gasoline and 11,200 peak watts on propane, offering versatile and reliable energy. Starting it is effortless with the included remote key fob, electric, or recoil options. Plus, its generous 6.6-gallon fuel tank provides up to 12 hours of continuous operation, keeping you powered longer. It comes equipped with multiple outlets, including household, transfer switch ready, and RV ready options. All its outlets feature protective rubber covers for your safety and peace of mind. At its core is a heavy-duty 457 cubic centimeters Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine, built for durability with a cast iron sleeve. It also includes automatic low-oil shutdown and a VFT display for real-time performance updates. This unit is designed for immediate use, arriving with everything you need to get started. It includes a remote start key fob, battery charger, oil, and tools, requiring only minimal assembly. Every unit is factory tested to ensure peak performance and is EPA compliant. It's backed by a 3-year limited warranty and a nationwide customer service network, ensuring long-term reliability. What we like. This powerful generator offers incredible versatility with its dual fuel capability, running on both gasoline and propane for extended run times. Delivering up to 12,500 peak watts, it's designed to handle significant home backup needs, keeping essential appliances running during outages. If you require a robust, flexible power source for comprehensive home backup or large-scale projects, its dual fuel and high wattage features make it an excellent investment. What people say. Number 1. WEN GNA25i Parallel Kit. This essential kit allows you to easily connect any two WEN inverter generators. It's designed to expand your power capabilities effortlessly. By linking your generators, it significantly increases the total wattage available from the outlets on either connected panel. This means more power for your needs. It's built to handle substantial power, supporting up to 25 amps and 3,000 watts. This ensures reliable performance for demanding applications. Featuring a robust 12 AWG3C cord, it provides a secure and efficient connection. With a generous reach of up to 5.5 feet, it offers flexibility in setup. For your confidence, it comes backed by a comprehensive 2-year warranty. You can trust in its quality and durability. What we like. This parallel kit is specifically designed for WEN inverter generators, ensuring seamless and optimized performance when linking two units. It efficiently handles up to 25 amps and 3,000 watts, providing a reliable power boost for your WEN setup. If you own WEN inverter generators and want to easily increase their combined wattage with a perfectly compatible and reliable connection, this kit is tailor-made for you. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON for product reviews is empty, so no points can be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.